In this video, we're going to dive deep into Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot and cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you're looking to optimize your sales process with the latest chatbot tech, stay tuned because I'll show you exactly why this is one of the best AI sales solutions out there. First off, you can try Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot for free with no strings attached. Just click the link in the description below and test it out yourself. Now, let's jump right into the key points. Chatsimple AI Sales. Chatbot is designed to help businesses enhance their customer interactions by automating the sales process. What's unique here is how it mimics human conversations while still being scalable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup or an established business, Chatsimple has the potential to streamline your sales funnel. The first thing that stands out about Chatsimple is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up. The interface is user-friendly, so you can integrate the chatbot into your sales channels quickly. Whether you're running an e-commerce store or managing lead generation for a service business, the setup process takes just a few minutes and it's incredibly intuitive. Now, let's talk about customization. What makes this AI chatbot so powerful is its ability to tailor its responses based on user input. You can configure it to respond in a variety of ways, making the chatbot feel personalized. This helps with customer retention since your leads are getting answers and support in real time, just like if they were talking to a live person. This level of interaction boosts trust, and trust is the key to conversions. Another feature worth mentioning is its lead qualification capabilities. Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot is not just a reactive bot, it actively qualifies your leads. It asks the right questions, gathers essential info, and even schedules follow-ups. It helps you separate the serious leads from those who are just browsing, which is a huge time saver. The chatbot also integrates seamlessly with all CRM systems, meaning that any data collected through conversations is automatically sent to your CRM. This ensures that your sales team has all the necessary info to convert leads into paying customers. It's all about automation and efficiency here. But here's something that many AI chatbots struggle with. Chatsimple handles objections like a pro. If a potential customer has hesitations or concerns, the chatbot can address them with a series of pre-programmed responses or intelligently adapt based on the conversation. This allows your sales process to flow without interruption, even if there are objections along the way. Another huge advantage is multi-channel support. Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot is not limited to just one platform. It works across your website, social media channels, and even messaging apps, making it an omni-channel sales assistant. So, no matter where your customers are coming from, the chatbot can engage with them effectively. Finally, let's talk about the CTS analytics. After your chatbot has been up and running for a while, you'll be able to analyze its performance through real-time insights. It provides data on customer interactions, lead conversions, and sales trends. This can give you valuable feedback to further fine-tune your sales strategy. So to sum it up, if you want to automate and supercharge your sales funnel, Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot is definitely worth checking out. It's intuitive, customizable, and backed by powerful features like lead qualification, CRM integration, and advanced objection handling. Again, try Chatsimple AI Sales Chatbot for free with the first link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one is among the top for sales optimization. If you want to discover more great AI software, check out the links in the description where I list my top recommendations after trying